Hi, I'm Serena and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the bulk products my family imports to maintain a whole food, organic, and overall holistic household. I was raised on these principles and now I get to share it with you. I'll go through the advantages and the disadvantages of shipping food over in bulk and show you brands and products my family has trusted over the years. In the Bahamas, the shipping fees usually amount to around 50% of the price of the product itself. However, it usually still costs less than what's imported by local grocery stores, and this way we get to choose better brands. With that said, there are still drawbacks to buying in bulk, so I'm going to go through that in this video. The plastic waste is the worst part. Although grocery stores would have produced this waste regardless, it's still so eye-opening to see it myself. But now I'm going to address a few things that you saw earlier in this video. A few boxes of milk were sent expired. That just happens sometimes, and that's the reality of shipping food in bulk. A few boxes also broke open at the seams, but luckily nothing was lost and nothing was hiding inside. A few cans were dented, but the majority of the cans were just fine. Another thing that demonstrates the realities of buying in bulk is that infestations just happen. The brown rice was infested with bugs, and that's why it's so important to have heavy-duty bins for bulk grains. Overall, the advantages still outweigh all the issues that happened with this order, because at the end of the day, we were able to bring in food and household products from companies that have a long history of upholding the organic standards when they were still in place. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.